After the successful launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, the tech giant is now turning its attention to the next big thing, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7. As the internet buzzes with speculation about their release date, we're left anticipating a summer launch, possibly in July or August. Although official information remains scarce, rumors and leaks provide us with an exciting sneak peek at what's to come. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7, power-packed performance. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 are expected to feature the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with a generous 12 GB of RAM. According to renowned tipster at PandaFlash Pro, these foldables will meet high-end standards, ensuring top-notch performance for users. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is known for its exceptional speed and efficiency, which will undoubtedly enhance the overall user experience. Variants and storage options. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be available in two storage variants, 256 GB and 512 GB. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will offer three options, 256 GB, 512 GB, and a whopping 1 TB. With such ample storage, users can keep all their essential files, apps, and media at their fingertips. Additionally, the high storage capacity will ensure that users do not face any issues related to running out of space, making these devices ideal for power users and content creators alike. Display brilliance, Galaxy Z Fold 7. In a recent leak, PandaFlash Pro revealed some impressive display specs for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The device is anticipated to boast a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it perfect for outdoor viewing. Moreover, the high brightness level will ensure that users can view the screen clearly even in bright sunlight. Additionally, it will feature display software akin to the Galaxy S25 series ProScaler, promising an immersive visual experience. The ProScaler software is expected to optimize the display for various types of content, making it suitable for both entertainment and productivity purposes. Pricing leaks, what to expect? Pricing for the upcoming foldables is rumored to mirror that of their predecessors, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to start at $1,099, while the Galaxy Z Fold May 7 be priced at $1,899. If these leaks hold true, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could launch at Rs $164,999 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 at Rs $109,999 in India. This pricing strategy suggests that Samsung aims to maintain a competitive edge in the high-end foldable market, providing consumers with innovative technology at relatively consistent prices. What to look forward to? As we eagerly await the official announcement, it's clear that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 have a lot to offer. With powerful performance, ample storage options, and impressive display features, these devices are set to make waves in the smartphone industry. Stay tuned for more updates as we inch closer to the launch date and prepare to be amazed by Samsung's next generation of foldable technology.